Tired of hearing you need money to make money? I'm here to tell you that's not true. The most powerful tool you need is already in your hand right now. Yes, I'm talking about your phone, and today I'm going to show you how to turn it into a money-making machine, even if you're starting with absolutely zero. Let's be real, the biggest thing holding most people back isn't lack of money or a brilliant idea, it's fear, the fear that it's too complicated, too expensive, or that you're just not good enough. But what if I told you the internet has completely changed the game? It's leveled the playing field, giving everyone a chance to build something from nothing. The secret isn't some complex strategy. It's about taking that first simple step. So where do you start? Let's talk about real practical ideas you can begin today. First up, freelancing. Do you have a skill? Anything from writing, designing, editing videos, or even just being super organized. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are buzzing with people who need your help. You can create a profile for free and start offering your services within hours. It's as simple as finding something you're good at and offering it to the world. Next, become a content creator. Don't roll your eyes. You don't need a fancy studio. Do you love cooking? Film yourself making your favorite recipe. Are you a gamer? Stream your gameplay. Love to read? Start a book review channel. Your passion is your niche. Use your phone, start creating short videos for platforms like this one, TikTok or Instagram, and share what you love. Your audience will find you. Another fantastic option is affiliate marketing. It sounds technical, but it's not. You simply recommend products you already use and love. Sign up for affiliate programs with companies like Amazon and you'll get a special link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. No inventory, no shipping, just sharing your honest recommendations. Finally, think about social media management. Look around your neighborhood. How many small businesses have a weak social media presence? A local cafe, a boutique, a gym. They are busy running their business and don't have time to post online. You can offer to manage their accounts, create simple posts, and engage with their followers for a monthly fee. You're solving a real problem for them, and all you need is your phone and some creativity. Look, the only real difference between you and the people you see succeeding online is that they started. They didn't wait for the perfect moment or for some grand sign. They took one small, imperfect step. Your journey doesn't start with $1,000. It starts with a single action. That one post, that one profile, that one video, that tiny step you take today could be the one that changes your entire life. The perfect moment isn't coming. The perfect moment is now. Thanks for watching. If this helped spark an idea, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more tips on how to build your dream. See you in the next video.